Well, there are so many toys and products on the market, some you see here for your kids. How do you know which items your child will like, but are also a good value, made well, and safe as well?
Sharon Vinderine is the founder of PTPA Media, which is a company that rates parenting products, and it awards its seal of approval for the products that you like best. They're called parent-tested, parent-approved, and that's what's so beautiful about all of these. Is it's not just the makers telling you it's great. It's not just some nameless survey. It's parents went through all of these. So what do parents like best this season?
Okay. So, like you said, the parents have all tested the products, and when you see our seal of approval on these products, you know that you're not just buying a product that looks fabulous in the packaging and then you bring it home and it serves absolutely no purpose. You know it's a really useful, effective product. So we'll start over here with the Britax Boulevard CS. And I know there's a ton of car seats out there, but the reason this one was selected is when you put your child in a car seat and you want to use the seatbelt, you don't really know how tightly you should put them into that seatbelt. Yeah. So this has something called a click and safe. So when you pull it, it actually makes a clicking sound to let you know that you no longer have to tighten it any further.
That's great, because I have a Britax, but it doesn't have that clicking sound, so it is confusing. Right, this is cool.
My one-year-old could use this. This is a sheet for the crib, right?
Yes, this is brilliant because if you're little like me, you are climbing into that crib in order to lift the mattress and get the sheet off. This, you put the zipper base on once, and then every time you have to change the sheet, you just unzip, unzip, and you replace the sheet. So there's no more having to dig under that mattress in order to get that sheet on the mattress, which is brilliant.
Okay. Why do you like these so much?
Okay, so these are adorable. They're called the Wowie Alive Cubs. They've made friends with everyone in the studio this morning.
I saw crew members petting them.
Yes.
Is that
You pet them and they purr, their eyes blink, they go to sleep, they snore a little bit, they know when they're turned over, when they're upright, so it's a really fantastic gift for the holidays for the kids.
Okay, the Scoodles. Tell us what parents need to know about these. Why are they so popular?
These are fun because they are actually, you can use them online, offline. They have these weighted hands and feet, so you can pose them in a variety of ways. When you go into their online community, what happens is there is an ability to create stories. So it's for children aged 4 to 12, and as they're older, it becomes a little bit more complex. They insert words into paragraphs in order to make these stories. They share their stories with the online community. They can email these interactive stories to friends. So it's a really, really great idea and a great way to use their imagination.
This is a product that's a big deal to me. My daughter slipped in the bathtub.
Oh my gosh.
And got hurt.
Isn't this perfect?
My 2-year-old. So,
all right.
Good luck for you, too.
Thank you. So what does this do? How does this prevent that?
So what you do is, here's your daughter.
Yes, it looks just like her.
She shrunk a little. So this enables you to get the baby out of the tub without them slipping. So the fingers remain exposed, so you have contact with the baby's skin, but you have essentially a towel around your hands so that you're securing the baby.
Because otherwise the baby's slippery.
In the shower, they're like a bar of soap.
That's exactly what they are. And you can put some soap on it, and it doubles as a washcloth. So that's why it's great.
What's the website parents can go to?
PTPAmedia.com. And they can sign up to be evaluators, and we ship product all across North America for parents to test.
Oh, that's great stuff. All right, thanks so much for showing us the best products out there.